You were talking about the chaos that is now being witnessed outside the railway station as passengers are slowly coming out.
Yes, definitely. There are so many trains which had already arrived in New Delhi railway station, and all of them are actually coming out from the Paharganj area. While you see the private vehicles plying on the road, there are a lot of passengers on the other side who are still waiting for their vehicles to arrive, because we know that the cab aggregators haven't yet started their facility, and that's why these people are still awaiting for the private vehicles to arrive. So yes, there is a little bit of chaos outside the New Delhi railway station. But when we were speaking to these people that how was the experience on board train, because almost after 2 months these people were coming out of their houses, they were stranded at one point, and then now they are finally traveling to their destination. They were all very happy, and there was a sigh of relief for them, because at the end of the day these people had been trying to move out from the place that they were stranded, but they couldn't. So these special trains had actually acted as a huge boon for them. So while private vehicles are picking up passengers and they're moving ahead to their destinations, there are also people who are awaiting in huge numbers for their conveyance to arrive, and there are continuous announcement being made by police personnel, and there are a lot of police presence over here which are constantly monitoring and asking them to maintain social distance, to ask these passengers to maintain the precautions that were maintained inside the train as well. We'll try and talk to some of the people over here. आप अहमदाबाद से ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा ट्रेन के अंदर, कैसे कैसे प्रिकॉशन मेजर्स लिए गए थे?
अहमदाबाद में तो बहुत ज़्यादा लॉकडाउन था और वहाँ पे कर्फ्यू भी लगा हुआ था। हम वहाँ बहुत परेशान थे। वहाँ सब्जी वब्जी चार
ट्रेन के अंदर आपके कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था? सैनिटाइजेशन, फूड, ये सब कुछ के बारे में?
नहीं, खाना वगैरह कोई अरेंजमेंट नहीं था, सिर्फ सैनिटाइजर वगैरह और शीट वगैरह, चादर वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं था वहाँ पे, बस ऐसे ही।
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म ये सब कुछ फॉलो?
हाँ हाँ।
आप कहाँ से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं मैम?
मैं इंदौर से।
अच्छा, कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस ट्रेन के अंदर?
गुड एक्सपीरियंस था, फर्स्ट पर इट्स स्टिल गुड था जी।
अच्छा, तो क्या सब फैसिलिटीज थे वहाँ पे अंदर?
हाँ जी, सारी फैसिलिटीज थी।
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग फॉलो हुआ था, मास्क?
डिस्टेंसिंग इज ऑल अबाउट पैसेंजर्स, लाइक आप फॉलो करना चाहते हो या नहीं चाहते, बाकी हाँ उन्होंने सारी फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड कराई थी आपको।
Thank you so much. So definitely these are some of the voices which are coming now after traveling on board trains. Some of them are coming from Indore, some of them are coming from Ahmedabad, and some also coming from Bihar side. So I'm going to show you the kind of chaos that has actually erupted just outside the New Delhi railway station on the Paharganj side, where so many huge number of people are awaiting for their private convenience, and some of them have actually complained that if the train has been started, then why not these cab aggregators allowed to start their services, because at the end of the day many people do not have private vehicles to take them to their destinations. So this is one of the criticisms that is coming forward, but mostly people are of the opinion that how social distancing has been followed inside. The middle berth was actually left completely empty, and proper sanitization process was followed. But yes, there were no providing of linen or other curtains or pillows, because at the end of the day safety measures were to be followed, and how police personnel and RPF were constantly coordinating with these passengers for the travel purpose.
Well, that is one point of concern that Shantashri is getting us these visuals from the New Delhi railway station. Now, the station, which has around 4 gates, 3 of them have been shut due to security reasons. At this point, 1 gate is only operational, through which the passengers who have just arrived to New Delhi are now leaving the station. But this is a picture of complete chaos outside, where there is no public transport that the people can find, and only private cars. That is leading to a considerable traffic jam. And this is in the Paharganj area, that 1 gate of the New Delhi railway station currently is operational. Madhurima and Shantashri, keep an eye out, and what more administration does to get these people safely back home. Any measures if they are taken up, we'll come back to you for that one more.